Welcome to Little Birdie's Play.
There's a red robin hopping so high, wings like a sunset painting the sky, singing a tune with a cheery tone, bright as a cherry on a little stone. Chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet, come sing along. Colors and feathers make our hearts strong. Fly around the meadow where laughter stays, dancing with the birds through colorful days. There's a blue jay with a bull-crooked grin, feathers like the ocean where the waves begin, flashing its tail in a shimmery way, shouting its song like it's leading the day. Chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet, come sing along. Colors and feathers make our hearts strong. Fly around the meadow where laughter stays, dancing with the birds through colorful days. Oh, the yellow canary like sunlight so sweet, singing like honey where the golden rays meet. And the green parrot mimics with sass, like a chatterbox in the morning class. Chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet, come sing along. Colors and feathers make our hearts strong. Fly around the meadow where laughter stays, dancing with the birds through colorful days.